Now we'll look at this guy who's in the pot. Same mix. We got the 3 parts rotted pine, shredded pine mulch, and 1 part chunky peat. Now let's see. See, it's pretty good root ball. Pretty good root ball. It's made of mat. But what we've been surprised at, rhodos are shallow rooted, but they like the cool concrete block. They'll go right, like if this had been in maybe a few months more, it would be right to the end of the bag. So you can see it's just, this is solid. This is more like a little mat. Here is the native smoke tree, which is, it gives you a outstanding fall color. It's a very hardy native. It'll take flooding, it takes drought. They use it in highway plantings because it's so tough. Okay, so here, the bag. That's pretty measly. Now these were planted at the same time. They were plugged, same. Now look at this. This is something that maybe you'd have to cut the bag off. It's so. Cut. There. Again, solid mass of root, but look at the difference in growth. This I could. See, they're loose. This is pretty solid. So. I left some of the root behind from that one. So if it's, you can just cut the bag off if it's rooted through. But anyhow, there you go. Real difference in size. We'll look at the paper bark maple and see the difference in the bigger tree. Now that's pretty good. Pretty nice. Pretty nice root ball. Now one thing, the sooner you can get these guys in the ground the better, because once the nights start getting warm, that triggers leaf growth and the roots don't grow. So early spring or fall is ideal, especially for maples. Okay, let's see this guy. Now this guy was just put in, it was put in the fall. But let's see. Even though this is a smaller plant, it was a 2-foot versus the 3 to 4, it has really made a lovely root. So you can see there's a better root than in this guy. It's gotten much deeper. Even though, so you got twice as deep a root, even though it's a smaller plant. And ideally, you want to get something with the best root possible.